Tacos! Just the word makes mouths water around the world. This Mexican dish is a global sensation. From street food stalls to fancy restaurants, tacos are everywhere. Their deliciousness is undeniable. What is it about tacos that captivates us? Maybe it's the perfect combination of flavors and textures, or maybe it's the versatility of this simple dish. Whatever the reason, tacos have earned their place as a beloved food worldwide. A taco starts with a simple base, the tortilla. This humble yet essential component is the canvas upon which all the other flavors will be painted. This thin, unleavened flatbread is made from either corn or wheat, each bringing its own unique texture and taste to the table. It's the foundation of this culinary masterpiece, providing the perfect vessel to hold all the delicious ingredients together. The tortilla cradles the star of the show, the filling. This is where creativity truly shines. Taco fillings are only limited by your imagination. From traditional to innovative, the possibilities are endless. From savory meats to fresh seafood, there's a taco for everyone. Grilled chicken, spicy chorizo, succulent shrimp, or even crispy fish. Slow-cooked barbacoa, tender carnitas, or even vegetarian options like roasted vegetables and beans. The options are endless. Toppings add the final flourish to this culinary canvas. They bring color, texture, and an extra layer of flavor. Freshly chopped cilantro and onions provide a burst of freshness, enhancing the overall taste. Salsa verde, salsa roja, or even a tangy pico de gallo can elevate the flavor profile. For those who love heat, a fiery habanero sauce adds layers of intense flavor and spice. A squeeze of lime juice brightens everything up, adding a zesty finish that ties all the elements together perfectly. The taco's story is as rich and flavorful as the dish itself. It's a tale that spans centuries and cultures, bringing together a blend of history, tradition, and culinary innovation. While the exact origin remains a delicious mystery, we know tacos have deep roots in Mexico. They are more than just food. They are a symbol of Mexican heritage and community. Some believe tacos date back to the silver mines of 18th century Mexico. These miners, working long and grueling hours, needed sustenance that was both hearty and easy to carry. Miners needed a convenient and portable way to eat. They required something that could be quickly assembled and consumed without interrupting their demanding work schedules. They used gunpowder wrapped in paper to make explosions in the mines. This same paper, known as papel de estraza, was repurposed to wrap their meals, making it easy to transport and eat. This paper, called papel de estraza, was also perfect for wrapping their food. It kept the contents secure and allowed the miners to enjoy a quick yet satisfying meal. This simple act may have been the birth of the taco as we know it. Over time, the humble taco evolved, becoming a beloved staple in Mexican cuisine and a favorite around the world. Section 4, From Coast to Coast, a fiesta of taco variations. Mexico's diverse regions each have their own unique take on the taco, showcasing the country's rich culinary diversity. In Yucatan, you'll find cochinita pibil slow-roasted pork marinated in achiote and citrus, wrapped in banana leaves and cooked underground for hours. Head to the Pacific coast and you'll encounter fresh fish tacos, often topped with crunchy cabbage slaw and a creamy, tangy sauce that perfectly complements the fresh catch. In the bustling streets of Mexico City, tacos al pastor reign supreme, drawing crowds with their tantalizing aroma. Thinly sliced marinated pork is stacked on a vertical spit, known as a trompo, and cooked until crispy and caramelized on the outside. The sight and smell are irresistible, with the sizzling pork and smoky aroma drawing you in. No matter where you go in Mexico, there's always a new and exciting taco waiting to be discovered, each bite offering a taste of the region's unique flavors and traditions. Section 5. A global love affair. Why we can't get enough of tacos. Why are tacos so universally loved? Maybe it's their simplicity. A taco is a blank canvas for creativity, or maybe it's the sense of community that surrounds them. Gathering with friends and family over a plate of tacos creates a special bond. Whatever the reason, one thing is certain: the tacos journey is far from over. This humble dish has captured the hearts and stomachs of people worldwide.